Ah, the great outdoors, fresh air, starry nights, and the eternal debate: induction or gas stoves. Once a simple choice, campfire cooking now has a new contender. Induction stoves, known for their sleek design and city dwelling popularity, are making their way into the great outdoors. But are they ready to dethrone the trusty gas stove? Gas stoves have long been the campfire cook's best friend, offering reliable heat and familiar fuel options. They've fueled countless camping meals, from simple stir-fried mushrooms and broccoli to gourmet campfire feasts. This battle of the burners has ignited a firestorm among outdoor enthusiasts. Some sing the praises of induction's speed and efficiency, while others cling to the rugged reliability of gas. So, let's delve into this fiery debate and see which stove reigns supreme in the wild. Induction stoves are like the sleek sports cars of the cooking world: fast, efficient, and a little bit flashy. They use electromagnetic energy to heat your cookware directly, which means no wasted heat and lightning fast boiling times. Forget waiting for a pot of water to boil on a blustery day. An induction stove can boil water faster than you can say campfire coffee. This efficiency also translates to longer battery life, a major plus for off-grid adventures. But the benefits don't stop there. Induction stoves are also incredibly safe. With no open flame, the risk of accidental fires is significantly reduced. Plus, the surface of the stove remains cool to the touch, preventing burns and making it safe for families with curious little ones. While induction stoves may seem like the perfect camping companion, they're not without their quirks. One major drawback is their dependence on electricity. You'll need a reliable power source, whether it's a portable power station or a campsite with electrical hookups. Another consideration is cookware compatibility. Induction stoves require magnetic cookware, so your trusty cast iron skillet might not work. You'll need to invest in induction compatible pots and pans, which can add to the overall cost. And then there's the feel of it all. Gas stoves offer the tactile satisfaction of adjusting the flame and the comforting warmth of a visible fire. Induction cooking, with its digital displays and silent operation, can feel a bit sterile in comparison. Gas stoves are the seasoned veterans of the camping world. They've been around for decades, and for a good reason. These trusty companions are known for their versatility and fuel availability. Whether you're using propane canisters or butane cartridges, you'll find fuel options at most outdoor stores. Gas stoves also excel in their ability to handle a wide range of cooking tasks. From simmering stews to frying fish, a gas stove's adjustable flame offers precise temperature control. And let's not forget the undeniable charm of cooking over an open flame. There's a certain satisfaction in watching the flames dance beneath your cookware, creating a mesmerizing focal point for your campsite gatherings. Plus, there's something primal and comforting about cooking with fire, connecting us to our ancestors and the great outdoors. Ready to elevate your camping experience? Choose the right stove for your next adventure and make every meal memorable. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more camping tips and gear reviews.